G'day guys, True Bolton here. We're back in the shed and today I'm going to show you how to make some wire assist hooks for all those bitey critters out there. Give it a nice coating. Alright guys, so what you're going to need is some 285 pound 49 strand wire, is some pike hooks, some GP rings, some heat shrink, some 1.3 double crimps, a lighter, beat cutters for cutting your wire, and a crimping pliers. So your first job is to cut your wire. Now to make it the right length for this jig, measure it down, and it's when you want it about halfway, which is around that 6 centimetre mark. So we cut the wire at that length. So we cut out 2 pieces of 49 strand to length. Now our next job is to grab a solid ring out. Grab your 1.3mm double crimp, slide it in, grab your solid GP ring, push it in nice and then pull it up tight, loop like that, then we'll crimp it off. Now grab the second piece of wire and do exactly the same, feed it through, grab your solid ring in your piece of wire you've already crimped on and feed that onto the ring as well. And we'll pull him tight. Grab your crimping pliers again, make sure you pull it nice and tight. Then crimp it, so you can see you've got your solid ring there and your 2 pieces of wire coming off. Now grab our little bit of heat shrink. We're just going to cut the heat shrink just a little bit longer than the crimp. Need 2 pieces of that. Now the heat shrink I'm using is actually got glue inside it, so when you heat it up it actually glues as well. That's the best heat shrink to use. So we'll slide it up over the crimp and get our lighter, heat it up, make sure you don't burn your fingers. We'll do the second one now. So what we need to do is grab another couple of pieces of heat shrink, cut them to length, slide them on for a little bit later. Now it's time for the hooks. I'm using the pike hooks again in a 2.0. Grab a 2 out. That's how the rig's looking so far. So now we want our hooks to be facing inwards like that. So now we've got to make sure we get the crimp to lay in properly. So grab one of our ends. So we place our crimp on and then our hook, and now we do the wire. So we put the crimp on and tighten it up. Your hook's facing inwards like that. Now we'll crimp it off and crimp that one off. Like that. Crimp that off. And now slide your heat shrink over it. Get your lighter out again, heat him up, roll him over, make sure you go right round, make sure that glue comes out, like that. So there's one done. Now we'll do the other side. And like I said, we'll make sure the hook points, they face inwards like this. Get the lighter and shrink the heat shrink down. Nice and easy like that. So there they are. There's a set ready to go. Now we'll put it on the jig. Now I've got my jig here and we've got our wire assist hooks. Just put it on the same way as you would a normal cyst hook. Grab your split ring pliers, grab it, feed it on, like so. There you go, guys. That's how simple and easy it is to make some wire cyst hooks for when them toothy critters are around. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button. But until next time, enjoy what I enjoy. That's fishing, camping, and cooking the catch. See you guys.